Hi, welcome to my ISO builder. So it's another PC. The microphone is different, and so the sound will a bit less. That's not important for us. We got via Dropbox. I just put it on my Dropbox, and everything is now on here. So this is gitfind, right? So with a cut, and I go to the AUR. I have here lots of things that I put on the AUR. So to help any of our people out there, any Arch Linux fans. So it goes beyond ArcoLinux when you make a package build for the AUR. It's for the Arch Linux community in general. Now, getting to create something new, you need to copy paste something in your system. Let me first go and get that code. All right, I've got the code copy pasted. I'm gonna make it in here. Open terminal, Ctrl-Shift-V. Git clone me, SSH, that's a step that I skipped that you don't see. So everything is already set up for my account to be able to post to the GitHub actually from AUR. And it's done with credentials via SSH. And when you want to make something new that's not existing, this is what you need to do. So git clone and some extra things. I'll make another tutorial sometime. But this is basically what I need to tell. So that let's see if this already creates something. Actually, I don't know at this point in time. I've never went to look on Ctrl-G, AUR, Arch Linux. If we get something at this point in time, there's not really anything there yet. So no, okay, so we know, learned something. So that said, we need to fill it, right? We need to fill it with gitfind is over here. So that's the package build. I'd rather have everything in capital in this folder. So that's no problem. You see changes here. And then we're going to compare with maybe Surfn. There's git ignore in here, there's a git in here, and the rest is going to be created on the spot. So I'm gonna again copy paste from somebody else, in this case myself. Git ignore the git sh, so don't put git sh on the AUR from Arch. So if you have things you want to keep hidden from people, like in this instance my git is something helpful, it's going to put everything online, and it's over here. Make me screen info. We can actually change that. I did it somewhere. BT make package, I think it is, and then something else. There you go. So the Vivaldi codex gives us the code. This can be created as well. So you don't need an application for it. We can actually change it to this thing. Everybody has that text. I guess I need to do it again. The copy paste was not successful. Ctrl-Shift-C, going for it twice. Ctrl-V, save. So make package print screen info inside a file called screen info is one of the requirements. And so I'm keeping to the strict minimum. Everything is on Arch Wiki. If you want to know how everything is done, read. Well, that's of course the goal, but this is a super practical thing, and it's super easy and fast done. So reuse the code. Git all everything and write your commits. So something to tell, and input is in here, and then your input goes in here, and then you push everything to the internet. So that's that. We've done that, we have done that, we've done this. This is the package build, last check. That's the correct name, no typos. Otherwise I have to make another package, number 2. We don't want to do that. And one time, everything okay. Let's see. Open terminal, And then the only thing you need to do is a git. Write your commits. Initial package or something. Initial push. New package. And a version number with it. What version was it again? So the maintainers know what I'm doing here. Version 0.90.5. Enter. So that's being pushed. Because of my permission, everything goes via SSH and everything is okay. Which means, I hope, if we refresh, we get gitfind, right? 0.1951, votes 0. Nobody has voted yet, that's strange. And then gitfind, we get some information. Here it is, custom ArcoLinuxIso emitter. And you can view the package build. This is the package build. We've made it together. And later on you can see the changes, if there are changes, and so on. But we're on another computer, right? This means starting from today, 15 October, Ctrl-Alt-T, yay, gitfind 1, build. And that's of course the test if this is going to work on this machine. And there may be dependencies that we have not figured out yet, and people will help me with saying, okay, Eric, you forgot this dependency, that dependency. Because of course I have a completely installed system with a lot of dependencies already on my machine, so may not be aware of dependencies that people have. So if you have a barren first minimal ArcoLinux installation, maybe it will not work. So these things will take time to figure it out. Open a repo. Let's go to my own data. Well, not another one. Antergos Cinnamon. Too bad they don't exist anymore. And there we go. This is what I did back then. Made my timeout a bit longer. You see? Escape, escape. What did I do back then? Some text changes. I was not very keen in making comments at that point in time. Nobody was looking at my GitHubs. So it just had a standard date that I got from a command. Actually, I'm wondering if we can actually see files of some kind, or just GitHub things. What's this? Whoa, don't want to do that. So I'll still need to learn all these things as well, the push and the pull. But for pushing you need to be logged in, and for pulling I don't think I can type here anything. So we'll see what this application brings to the table, what it does, what's possible, what's not possible. But it looks slick, and that's why it deserves to be on there on the AUR. So there you go, you can have a go at it. And if something is amiss, what do? You go in here and you make an account, login account, and you tell here with the notes somewhere, you can tell them, well, we have to log in first, and then you can write here what's wrong or how you can fix it and such things. All right, cheers.